Mastering process mapping software. Only process mapping masters can turbocharge operational excellence. Who within an organization can leverage the key features of process mapping software? And how do these features support their pursuit of operational excellence in terms of enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving overall performance? Within an organization, various stakeholders can leverage the key features of process mapping software to support their pursuit of operational excellence. These stakeholders include process owners, quality managers, operations managers, and continuous improvement teams. Process owners are responsible for overseeing specific business processes and ensuring they are operating efficiently. They can utilize process mapping software to create visual representations of their processes, identifying inefficiencies and areas for improvement. By digitizing their processes, process owners can standardize procedures, reduce variability, and increase compliance. For instance, they can use the software's workflow automation feature to streamline tasks, eliminating unnecessary steps and reducing the risk of human error. This leads to enhanced efficiency, reduced costs, and improved overall performance. Quality managers are tasked with ensuring the quality of products or services meets customer and regulatory requirements. They can employ process mapping software to identify and mitigate potential quality risks, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulations. By analyzing process maps, quality managers can pinpoint areas prone to defects or deviations, implement corrective actions, and monitor the effectiveness of these actions. This results in improved product quality, reduced waste, and enhanced customer satisfaction. Operations managers are responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of an organization. They can utilize process mapping software to optimize their operations, reducing costs, and improving productivity. By identifying bottlenecks and inefficiencies in process maps, operations managers can implement process improvements, reallocate resources, and reduce waste. The software's performance metrics and analytics features enable them to track key performance indicators, KPIs, and make data-driven decisions to drive operational excellence. Continuous improvement teams are responsible for identifying opportunities for improvement and implementing changes to achieve operational excellence. They can leverage process mapping software to facilitate collaborative improvement efforts, engaging stakeholders across the organization. The software's collaboration features enable teams to share process maps, assign tasks, and track progress, ensuring that all stakeholders are aligned and working towards common goals. By analyzing process maps, continuous improvement teams can identify areas for improvement, prioritize initiatives, and implement changes that drive operational excellence. The key features of process mapping software that support operational excellence include 1. Visual process mapping. Creating visual representations of processes enables stakeholders to understand complex processes, identify inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. 2. Workflow automation. Automating tasks and workflows reduces the risk of human error, increases efficiency, and frees up resources for higher value activities. 3. Performance metrics and analytics. Tracking KPIs and analytics enables stakeholders to measure process performance, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. 4. Collaboration features. Enabling stakeholders to share process maps, assign tasks, and track progress ensures that everyone is aligned and working towards common goals. 5. Version control and audit trails. Maintaining version control and audit trails ensures that process changes are tracked and stakeholders can easily revert to previous versions if needed. 6. Compliance management. Ensuring compliance with industry regulations and standards reduces the risk of non-compliance, fines, and reputational damage. 7. Root cause analysis. Identifying the root causes of problems enables stakeholders to address underlying issues, reducing the likelihood of recurrence. 8. Continuous improvement. Enabling stakeholders to identify and prioritize improvement initiatives ensures that organizations are constantly striving for operational excellence. By leveraging these features, stakeholders can enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall performance, ultimately achieving operational excellence. The pursuit of operational excellence, a journey of continuous improvement. As I walked into the office of the manufacturing plant, I could sense the air of frustration among the employees. The production lines were slow, and the quality of the products was inconsistent. The CEO, John, greeted me with a mix of desperation and determination in his eyes. "Tom, we need to turn this around. We can't keep operating like this." I nodded in understanding, knowing that the answer lay not in blaming the employees, but in understanding the underlying processes. My first step was to map out the current state of their processes using process mapping software. This powerful tool allowed us to visualize the entire production process, from raw material intake to product shipment. The software's drag and drop interface made it easy to create a comprehensive map, highlighting bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas of improvement. What struck me was the lack of standardization across the production lines. The workers were following different procedures, leading to variations in product quality and inconsistent output. The process map revealed that the root cause of this issue was the absence of a centralized knowledge repository. The employees were relying on tribal knowledge, passed down through word of mouth, rather than following standardized operating procedures, SOPs. I worked with the team to create a knowledge management system where we documented and standardized the SOPs. The process mapping software enabled us to create digital versions of the SOPs, complete with visuals, videos, and tutorials. This ensured that every employee was on the same page, following the same procedures. Next, we used the software's analytical capabilities to identify areas of waste and inefficiency. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as cycle time, throughput, and defect rates, we pinpointed the bottlenecks in the production process. The data revealed that the batch processing system was causing significant delays, resulting in extended production times and increased costs. Working with the production team, we implemented a continuous flow system, which allowed us to produce smaller batches and reduce inventory holding costs. The process mapping software helped us model different scenarios, predicting the impact of changes on KPIs before implementing them. The results were astonishing. Production times decreased by 30%, defect rates dropped by 25%, and inventory holding costs plummeted by 40%. The employees were empowered, and morale soared. They were no longer guessing. They knew exactly what was expected of them, and how to achieve it. What I realized throughout this journey was that operational excellence is not just about process optimization, it's about creating a culture of continuous improvement. It's about giving employees the tools and autonomy to make a difference. The process mapping software was merely a catalyst, providing visibility, accountability, and a shared understanding of the production process. As I left the plant, I felt a sense of pride and fulfillment. John, the CEO, approached me with a smile, shaking my hand firmly. "Tom, we did it. We've turned the corner." I smiled back, knowing that the real work was just beginning. The pursuit of operational excellence is a never-ending journey, one that requires a deep commitment to continuous improvement, a willingness to learn, and an unrelenting passion for excellence. Throughout this process, I thought about the importance of looking beyond the surface level to identify the underlying causes of inefficiencies. I thought about the power of standardization, documentation, and knowledge management. I thought about the critical role of data analysis and visualization in driving business decisions. Most importantly, I thought about the people, the employees who were struggling to make a difference, the leaders who were willing to take a chance on change, and the customers who would ultimately benefit from the improved products and services. In the end, operational excellence is not just about process optimization, it's about creating a sense of purpose, pride, and fulfillment among the people who make it all happen.